BC Conservative leader John Rustad has released the first plank of his party's platform for the upcoming election. He calls it Patients First, his plan to, quote, fix health care. It's a plan to radically overhaul health care and expand private services in BC while maintaining government single payer.
Using your health card, that's all you'll need for services. That's the only piece of plastic you'll need to take out to get the services, regardless of where you get those from.
He says the way government delivers health care needs to change, that money is not the solution, but what the province needs is a reduction in administrators and red tape. Rustad says it'll cost more initially, but save money over time, though he did not provide details on how much it might cost or how long it might take.
I don't have the precise numbers because as part of this, it's obviously there's a lot of complexities that have to be put in place as we do the transition.
Other promises include paying for out-of-province medical care to fight wait times, reduction in ER closures, and stopping illicit drug use in hospitals. Rustad also renewed his promise to drop vaccine mandates and offer to rehire unvaccinated former healthcare workers on day one. A UBC political scientist says the Conservatives are trying to make themselves a convincing alternative.
Those are, real distinguishing characteristics of what the BC Conservatives have to offer, and they're trying to make a clear distinguishing themselves clearly from the NDP.
The most recent polling in the province has the Conservatives neck and neck with the NDP. He says healthcare is an obvious target.
Public opinion polling shows a lot of dissatisfaction in the province with healthcare, and so it's an easy starting point for the opposition. It's a weak spot.
He says we didn't learn much new from today's announcement, but a formalization of policies that have already been hinted at. British Columbians head to the polls October 19th. In Vancouver, Jack Morse, City News.